What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be doing a wash and go using the Alexus Crown and Coils line, so stay tuned. So starting off, we're going to go in with the Oh So Clean shampoo by the Alexus Crown and Coils line. You really want to scrub and really cleanse and get in there to clean it. If you know me, I'm not a huge fan of shampoos that set up, but this one doesn't leave your hair all dry feeling and squeaky. Then we're going to follow with the In Control conditioner to really get some deep moisture locked into our hair. After we finish the detangling process in the shower, I want to go in with the Quench product. That's the leave-in conditioner. This honestly is one of the best products I've ever had across multiple lines that I've tried and demonstrated on the channel. I'm pretty heavy-handed when it comes to the Quench leave-in conditioner because I love it that much, but it honestly doesn't take a lot. So after that, we're going to follow with the Not On My Watch detangler. That doesn't take a lot of product either. And then my wash and go is pretty simple. Following the steps, you just section and detangle each section and apply the Curl La La curling custard product, and you just continue on throughout the sections. So again, section, apply the leave-in conditioner, the detangler, detangle the hair briefly with a brush, follow up with the Curl La La custard, and finger comb the product through your hair and rake it through, and then scrunch it, and you're all done. And repeat on the other side. Detangled and moisturized, I briefly dry with the blow dryer, and then I let it air dry in a pineapple, and then you're all done and just wait for the results. Thanks so much for watching, guys. So let me know if this method and these products work for you to give you a bomb afro and wash and go. I will see you guys next time. Bye.